Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Skilla, you see. Now we have two things to talk about pertaining to the whole robbery thing that take place in Maypen, Clarendon the other day, you see me? And this is just a quick update, you see. Now, under police operation on Friday the 31st of May, 3 persons has been taken into custody as suspects to the robbery that took place at Guinea Tree, Maypen, Clarendon at a Chinese wholesale on the 26th of May, and that is a Sunday. The identities of these 3 suspects have not been revealed. How or where or when, those things not revealed, but that's the best information they then give right about now, you see. Now, pertaining to that, you know, say a lot of people are talking a whole heap of things right now. Some people are say, yo, the police force shame and the police force them just a hold on and smarty because they don't know what it turn and all kind of things, you see me? But anyways, now the Chinese that were the victim of the robbery that took place that Sunday finally give a word or so forth, opened up towards the situation, but them slightly opened up, you see me, because they don't know any information where them have is going to be classified for the police as well. So this is what them have to say.
We're sorry for everybody and police. Until now, everybody still not feel good. All these are happen. All these are confirmed. We are do business in the Jamaica. It's okay, but we're not feeling safe. Maypen need to Jojo like Moby, Spanish Town, then place them.
So basically what she try to say, because maybe some people don't really understand what she said a while ago. She basically try to make you know say yo, she feels sorry for Jamaica and them have 2 business places and business good, but right about now even you can hear like she's basically trying to say that she's scared. Her English is not so good, so really and truly have to kind of listen. If you understand, as I say, so basically she tell us that she don't feel safe. See me? She said she want Maypen to have Zozos like Montego Bay and Spanish Town and then place there. Did you know that it has been reported that the police officers them making complaint that them shot a bulletproof vest and them under a lot of stress and them have to do overtime and certain equipment is not there and all these things, you see me? So ever since this robbery thing take place, it really and truly put a pressure upon the Jamaica police force, you know, the JCF, Jamaica Constabulary Force, because the people then start to speculate and it seems to me like it make them look bad. But still, as much as people are speculate and assume and all kind of things, one question: how many of you would do the job where the police officers them got through that day? How many of you could have managed that job? That a one question, you see. But anyways, I don't know the thing already. I'm going to bring to you hot on social media, keep on up to date and post it. I'm going to see how the world around, you see. But anyways, I don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the dancer Skilla ENT. I'm going to big up on yourself. You see it.